Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we solve Wi-Fi network problem in a Tecno phone device. Friends, you want to solve guys your phone Wi-Fi network problem. So how can we solve today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video. So friends, now let's see how can we solve Wi-Fi network problem in our Tecno phone device. So when first of all we will on our phone setting to solve guys our phone Wi-Fi network problem. After on phone setting guys, scroll it friends, click on guys your phone guys this system setting we will tap on guys our phone system setting guys, tap here and click on reset option guys, tap here guys, click on your Wi-Fi setting you can see that the reset Wi-Fi setting we will tap here guys. So friends, you can see guys your Wi-Fi setting you will tap here to reset. After that guys, you can see you confirm your pattern setting guys this. So when you have your pattern lock, so when you will have to draw your pattern to solve guys your Wi-Fi network problem guys, reset setting, tap here to solve your Wi-Fi network problem. So once your Wi-Fi network problem has solved, and once you can see Wi-Fi was off, once you can see after solve, once your Wi-Fi will on automatic. So as you want to connect any Wi-Fi network, so as you can connect guys, I have this Wi-Fi, I will connect guys my this Wi-Fi. I will tap here to connect and I can use guys this Wi-Fi network without any problem guys. So like that guys, I can solve guys, and guys you can solve guys your phone Wi-Fi network problem in your Techno phone device. So bye bye friends.